Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 12500 starting watt tri-fuel portable generator is a robust and versatile power solution, designed for both home and outdoor use. Its ability to operate on gasoline, propane, or natural gas makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking reliability and flexibility in energy sources. This tri-fuel capability ensures that you can always find a fuel option, regardless of your situation. Setting up this generator is straightforward, thanks to its electric start feature. This eliminates the hassle of pull starting, particularly useful for those who may struggle with manual operation. The generator also features a user-friendly control panel, which includes multiple outlets, ensuring compatibility with various devices and appliances. With a starting wattage of 12,500, it's more than capable of powering essential household items during an outage, such as refrigerators, lights, and heating systems. One of the most impressive aspects of this generator is its relatively quiet operation. Compared to traditional generators, the sound level is significantly reduced, making it more tolerable for extended use. This is particularly beneficial for camping trips or tailgating, where noise can be a concern. Moreover, the build quality of the Generac generator is commendable. It feels sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. The wheels and handle allow for easy transportation, which is a crucial feature for a portable generator. Fuel efficiency is another area where this generator excels. With its tri-fuel design, it maximizes runtime, allowing you to use it for longer periods before refueling. The LED fuel gauge is a thoughtful addition, providing clear visibility of fuel levels. In conclusion, the Generac 12500 starting watt tri-fuel portable generator is a reliable and versatile choice. Its electric start, tri-fuel capability, quiet operation, and sturdy build make it an excellent investment for anyone in need of dependable power. Whether for home backup or outdoor adventures, this generator performs exceptionally well, ensuring peace of mind in any situation.